Removing a processor and heatsink. Important. This task must be undertaken by trained technicians certified by Lenovo Service. Do not attempt to remove or install these components without proper training and qualifications. Before replacing a processor, check the current PSB fuse policy. Refer to the ThinkEdge SE455 V3 user guide for more information. Remove the following components. If applicable, the security bezel, top cover, if applicable, the internal drive cage, all the PCIe assemblies, processor air baffle. Refer to the Removing a Processor Air Baffle video for the procedures. To remove the heatsink, fully loosen all the screws on the heatsink in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Carefully lift the heatsink from the processor socket. If you are replacing a processor, use a Torx T20 screwdriver to loosen the 3 captive screws, and then slightly lift up the retention frame in the direction shown. Lift up the rail frame. Hold the tab of the processor carrier and slide the processor carrier out of the rail frame.